Good morning, my dears, and welcome back. Our lesson today is titled Top Stars Part 2. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to ask and answer questions about different activities. Are you ready to start our lesson? Let's get started. Let's begin by revising what we learned previously. Look at the following pictures. Now read the words. Can you tell me, what are these? Excellent! They're the 4 seasons. Let's continue our revision. In this activity, we will match the month of the year, as you can see them below, with the correct seasons. Are you ready to get started? Wonderful. Let's begin with the first one. December, January, and February. Which season can we match this month with? Can you tell me? Correct! It's winter. Moving on to the second one. We have March, April, and May. Which season do these months belong to? Wonderful! That's spring. Next, we have June, July, and August. In which season can we find them? Can you tell me? Excellent! It's summer. Finally, we have September, October, and November. Which season can we match them with? Do you know? Autumn! That's correct. Great job, my dears. Let's practice some more. In this activity, we will complete the sentences with the correct seasons. Spring, winter, autumn, or summer. Let's take a look at the sentences. Number 1. It is rainy in autumn. Correct. Number 2. The weather is cold in winter. Wonderful. Number 3. The weather is hot in summer. Great job. Number 4. It is sunny and nice in spring. You're a star. In this lesson, we will learn how to ask and answer questions about different activities correctly. Let's read the following question. What do you do in summer? We use this question to ask about activities in summer. Do you know how we can answer this question? Excellent! The answer is, I go to the beach. Now, let's read the look box together. Look. What do you do in spring? I plant trees. Good job, my dears. Now, based on what we have just learned, can you give me more examples? Look at the picture below. Which season is this? Correct, it's winter. Now, can you help me form a question about activities in winter? Excellent! The question is, what do you do in winter? Now, it's time to answer our question. What do you do in winter? It's cold. I play in the snow. Correct. Let's form more examples together. Take a look at this picture. Which season is this? Correct. It's summer. Can you help me form a question? Wonderful. The question is, what do you do in summer? Now, let's answer this question. Can you help give me an answer to this question? Excellent. It's hot. I go to the beach. I ride my bike. I play football with my friends. Wonderful job, my dears. It is now time to practice what we have learned in today's lesson. To do so, we will open our workbooks, page number 71, to complete activity number 3. In this activity, we have to look at the pictures, then read the question, and finally, we will choose the correct answer from the box. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1 is solved for you. Look at the picture. What do you do in spring? I plant trees and flowers. Excellent. Number 2. Look at the picture. What do you do in summer? I swim. Excellent job. Number 3. Look at the picture. What do you do in autumn? Good job. I play with the leaves. Number 4. Look at the picture. What do you do in winter? Correct. I play in the snow. Excellent job, my dears. Let's practice some more. We will now open our student's book, page number 73, to complete activity number 4. This is a listening activity. In this exercise, we have to listen to the recording, look at the pictures, and then number them correctly from 1 to 4. The first one is solved for you. Are you ready? Let's listen to the recording together.
4. Listen and number 1 to 4. 1.
What do you do in spring?
I help my granddad in his garden. I plant trees and flowers. I love spring.
2.
What do you do in summer?
I go to the beach and play with my toys in the sun. I sometimes swim too. Summer is great.
3. What do you do in winter?
It's cold in winter. We wear our coats and our boots and we play in the snow.
4. What do you do in autumn?
I play with the leaves. They are orange and brown.
Excellent job, my dears. Now, let's number the pictures together. Number 1 is C. Can you tell me which picture is number 2? Excellent. That is picture A. Now, can you help me locate picture number 3? Good job! That is picture D. And finally, can you help me find picture number 4? Correct! That is picture B. Wonderful job, my dears. It's speaking time. For speaking, we will now open our student's book, page number 73, to complete activity number 5. In this activity, we will look at the pictures and then ask and answer questions about different activities to do in the 4 seasons. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first one is solved for you. It's summer. What do you do in summer? I play in the sun. Let's now practice together. Look at this picture. Which season is this? It's summer, correct. What do you do in summer? I play in the park, correct. Let's move on. Look at this picture. Which season is this? Correct. It's winter time. What do you do in winter? I play in the snow. Excellent. Now, let's look at the season. Which season is this? Excellent. It's also winter. Let's think of other activities in winter. What do you do in winter? I make a snowman. That's correct. Let's move on to a new season. Look at the picture. Which season is this? Correct. It's autumn. Can you tell me, what do you do in autumn? I run in the park. Good job. It's a correct answer. What about this season? Which season is this? Excellent. It's spring. Can you tell me, what do you do in spring? I water the flowers. That's correct. Good job. And what about this season? Excellent. It's also spring. Can you think of other activities that we can do in spring? What do you do in spring? I fly a kite. That's correct. You've done a great job, my dears. It's writing time. So prepare your notebooks. In this activity, we will choose one of the 4 seasons: spring, autumn, winter, or summer. Then, in our notebooks, we will write a question and an answer about the activities that we can do in that season. Are you ready? Excellent. Let's get started. In my notebook, I will write the question, what do you do in summer? My answer to this question will be, I go to the beach. I swim. Can you write the question and an answer in your notebooks? Excellent job, my dears. We have now reached the end of our lesson. I hope that now we can all ask and answer questions correctly about the 4 seasons and all the activities that we can do in them. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.